every currency pair lies centuries of conflict, power, and evolution. Forex is the largest financial market in the world today. But it didn't start with charts or brokers. It began with empires, gold, and war. This is the hidden history of Forex. Long before Wall Street, traders in Mesopotamia and ancient Greece exchanged silver, gold, and goods. In the Roman Empire, the denarius unified trade, but conversion was still needed across borders. These were the first steps toward currency exchange. In the 19th century, global trade demanded stability. Nations adopted the gold standard, pegging currencies to a fixed amount of gold. Trust was built, but it came at a cost. During crises, countries couldn't react freely. World War I broke the system. Countries printed money to fund war, abandoning gold. The result? Massive inflation and chaos. After World War II, a new system had to be created. In 1944, 44 nations agreed. All currencies would peg to the US dollar, and the dollar would peg to gold. The US became the financial anchor of the world. The system brought order, but concentrated power. In 1971, Nixon broke the gold link. The dollar was no longer backed by gold. Currencies began to float, rising and falling with supply, demand, and speculation. This was the birth of the modern Forex market. The 1990s brought the internet, and Forex changed forever. Platforms gave ordinary people access to a market once reserved for banks and governments. Today, over $6 trillion are traded daily. Forex became not just global, but personal. Forex is not just a market, it's a mirror of global politics, economics, and power. Behind every price move is a decision, a crisis, a shift in history. To understand Forex is to understand the world. If this opened your eyes, subscribe to Global Trading Finance. Discover the hidden forces shaping our money, markets, and future.